if a plus b plus c is equal to pi, prove that cos a plus cos b plus cos c is equal to 1 plus 4 sine a by 2 b by sine b by 2 and sine c by 2. Here one condition is given, a plus b plus c is equal to pi is already given. Now we have to prove this. So first of all we have to write down the condition a plus b plus c is equal to pi, and after this a plus b is equal to pi minus c. Either we have to multiply or we have to divide. It depends on RHS. When you see here, we get sine a by 2, b by 2, c by 2. It depends on RHS. If here is a, b, c, no need to multiply, no need to divide. If here is 2a, 2b, 2c, we have to multiply by 2. But what is here? A by 2, b by 2, c by 2. It means we have to divide by 2 here. Dividing both sides by 2. So a by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus c by 2. This either we have to divide or multiply. It depends on RHS. When you see here in RHS, here is a by 2, b by 2, c by 2. So we have to divide both sides by 2. And always when a plus b plus c is equal to pi, always take this c at right side. Now taking sine both sides, sine a by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to sine pi by 2 minus c by 2. Pi by 2 means 90. Sine 90 means change. Pi by 2 means 90. 90 means change. So in the place of sine, what we can write? Cos. And 90 minus c by 2 means first quadrant. First quadrant means all positive. So we can write here c by 2. It means the value of sine a by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to cos c by 2. Similarly, we have to take cos. Always we have to take sine and cos. Always. In the taking cos both side here, cos a by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to cos pi by 2 minus c by 2. 90 means change. We have to change cos in the form of sine, and 90 minus c by 2 means first quadrant. First quadrant means all positive. So we can write here sine c by 2. So the value of cos a by 2 plus b by 2 is sine c by 2, and after doing this condition we have to take LHS. Now taking LHS is there, cos A plus cos B plus cos C. This conditional trigonometric identities is very important, and you will score 4 marks from here. One long question, 100% fixed, and you will get 4 marks. Now you can see after taking these two terms, first and second, cos C plus cos D and cos A plus cos B, we have to use formula of cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D means A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2 plus this one write on same cos C. Okay, this is in the form of cos C plus cos D, and the formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. C means A, D means B, and cos C we have to write same. Now 2 cos A plus B by 2. What is the value of cos A plus B by 2? You can see here we already found A by 2 plus B by 2. It means A plus B by 2, same thing. So cos A plus B by 2, what is the value here? Sine C by 2. Always when A plus B plus C is equal to pi given, always take C another side, and we have to take sine both side and cos both side and find out the value, and after that these value we have to put while taking LHS. So cos A plus B by 2, the value of cos A plus B by 2 is sine C by 2. We can write here sine C by 2 cos A minus B by 2 plus. Now we have to write down the formula of cos C. Cos C formula we have to write 2 cos square C by 2 minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sine square C by 2. Out of 2 we have to use 1, but which one we have to use, it depends on this value. What is given here? Sine C by 2. So definitely cos C we have to use in the form of sine, not in the form of cos. Why to use in the form of sine? To take common. Okay, when you use cos C in the form of sine, then we can take here common. If you use in the form of cos, we cannot take common. Okay, so it depends which formula we have to use of cos C. It depends on this value. cos c, sin c by 2, so we have to use formula of sine. So what is the formula of cos c? 1 minus 2 sine square c by 2. Okay, up to here. Now 1 right on front. Okay, now look at here, we need 1, we got here 1. Now this and this we have to take common, so common is 2 sine c by 2, and what is remaining here? Cos a minus b by 2. It is minus 2 already common, sine c by 2 common, so what is remaining here? Sine c by 2. Look at once again, 1 plus 2 sine c by 2. Now write on same this one, a minus b by 2. Now look at here, sine c by 2. What is the value of sine c by 2? You can see here, sine c by 2. Sine c by 2 means what is here? Cos a by 2 plus b by 2, or you can write cos a plus b by 2. Same thing. While you take LCM here, what we get here? 2 and remaining a plus b. So a plus b by 2. So you can write here cos a plus b by 2. Hope you understand up to here. Now again you can see this in the form of cos c minus cos d, cos c minus cos d. In the place of c, here is a minus b by 2, and in the place of d you can see here is a plus b by 2. So again we have to use formula of cos c minus cos d. And what is the formula of cos c minus cos d? 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Or another thing, you can use cos a minus b also formula. When you separate this cos a by 2, I will teach in another video how to use another formula. It's very easy also. Now here we can use cos c minus cos d formula. Okay, uh, 1 plus 2 sine c by 2. Now cos c minus cos d formula. Cos c minus cos d formula in the form of sine, cos c plus cos d formula in the form of cos. 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, but here is minus, so formula is minus 2 sine c plus d by 2 and sine c minus d by 2. So we can write here cos c minus cos d formula 2 sine c plus d by 2. C means a minus b by 2 plus a plus b by 2 2 sine c plus d by 2. C means a minus b by 2 and d means a plus b by 2. Sine c minus d. C means a minus b by 2 and d means a plus b by 2. So here a minus b by 2 minus a plus b by 2 by 2. You can see here properly. 2 sine c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2. C means a minus b by 2 and d means a plus b by 2. Now we have to solve. 1 plus 2 sine c by 2 sine, here you have to take LCM. LCM is 2 a minus b plus a plus b by 2. Similarly here also we have to take LCM, and the LCM is 2, remaining a minus b minus a minus plus minus b. After this 1 plus 2 sine c by 2 minus 2 sine, this b and b cancel, a plus a, 2a by 2 into 2 4. Here sine cancel, a and a cancel, minus b means minus 2b by 2 into 2 4. 1 plus 2 sine c by 2 minus 2 sine, 2 2s are 4, so a by 2 sine b by 2, 2 2s are 4 and minus b by 2. Here cos c minus cos d formula is minus 2 sine c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2. Now you can see this minus will minus plus, so 1 plus 2 into 2 4 sine a by 2 sine b by 2 sine c by 2. We have to prove 1 plus 4 sine a by 2, sine b by 2 and sine c by 2. RHS proved. Hope you understand this question number 1.